Hello, welcome back to the channel, built by Ben. Thanks to all the recent subscribers. We've had loads lately. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, which is amazing. Never thought I'd get that far in such a short time, so thank you. We're also hitting 6,000 views on some of my videos, 7,000 on the hinge jig one, so you know, it's just unbelievable. We'll keep going onwards and upwards. I'll keep making the videos as fast as I can. It's a bit difficult at the moment because I've damaged my hand, which has put me out of work, but we're still just trying to do little bits anyway. So what we're going to do to celebrate 1,000 subscribers is we're going to give away one of these tracer deep hole markers that you might have seen me using. It's got an extendable lead pencil just like the old school ones, and you can sharpen that to quite a fine point, which lets you mark things with precision. And it barely ever snaps, so it's great. So we're going to be sending a brand new one of these out to one of you guys. If you make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then I want you to leave in the comments, I want your deep hole. And then what we'll do is we'll pick one of you at random, UK based for now though, please, because I don't want to be shipping one of these out to America, sorry guys. But yeah, UK based only, and you know, if we find someone with a UK address, then we'll send one of these out. Thank you.